Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Now click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. Then tap on the chosen one. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. Now after a while, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, you need to go back, click on Connected Devices and select Previously Connected Devices over here. Then tap on this gear icon next to the chosen one and click on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one, just click on Pair New Device, select it again and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!